Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sopas with chicken. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need about 1 pound of chicken, 1 cup of elbow macaroni, and 1 can of evaporated milk for that creamy texture. Don't forget your favorite vegetables like carrots, cabbage, and celery, all chopped and prepared. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, leading to a delicious, comforting meal for everyone. Now let's get cooking. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 chopped onion until they become fragrant, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Next, add your bite-sized chicken pieces and cook them until they are lightly browned. Then, pour in 6 cups of water or chicken broth, bring it to a boil, and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes until the chicken is wonderfully tender. Once your chicken is tender, it's time to add the macaroni. Carefully add 1 cup of elbow macaroni to the simmering broth. Cook it according to the package directions, usually for about 7 to 10 minutes until it's perfectly al dente. Then, for that signature creamy texture, pour in 1 can of evaporated milk or 1½ cups of fresh milk. Stir everything gently to ensure all the ingredients are well combined and the macaroni cooks evenly. For the grand finale, let's add the vegetables. Stir in your chopped carrots and cabbage, cooking them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender crisp, retaining a slight bite. Now, taste and season your sopas with salt and freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your preference. Serve this comforting chicken sopas hot, perhaps garnished with a sliced hard-boiled egg, a sprinkle of fresh green onions, or a dash of toasted garlic for extra flavor. Enjoy your delicious homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.